Hello guys, today I got an Oppo and Vivo phones, Android phones, to compare each other. Actually I got a Vivo called Y02S and Oppo 17k. They come with two colors. Right here is an Oppo 17k called gold color and blue color. And here are Vivo Y02S. It comes with what kinds of this color I don't know, and this is called black colors. Okay, so let's talk about the inside of the phone. And the price of the both phones are similar. This cost is $139, and this one Vivo 17k costs $129. This is more expensive than Vivo. And let's talk about the inside. Let's go inside the phone, see the setting. Want to know which one is much better? For the Vivo Y02S, it comes with RAM 3GB and the phone storage is 32GB. But for the Oppo 17k, it comes with storage 64GB and the RAM 3GB plus 1GB. So the storage and the RAM, I think the Oppo 17k is the better one, because it comes with the 64GB and the RAM is 3 plus 1, but for the Vivo just only 3 and 32GB. And what about the battery? The battery are the same. They come with 5000 mAh, and the camera, the selfie camera, wait a minute, for the selfie camera, the both are the same. It's just 5 megapixel. The same, just 5 megapixel, and the back camera, they come with 8 megapixel. So let's choose which one you want to use. For the cheap price, it costs only 100 more, about $100. For me, I will choose actually I choose the the Oppo 17k right here, because it is much better for the inside of the phone. Okay, I think this is much better. But if we talk about the beauty, I think the Vivo is more is more beautiful than the Oppo. Okay, whatever, if you like which one, you can choose by yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching.